Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a book using ChatGPT. First, let's dive into structuring your ideas. Begin by defining your book's core concept and target audience. This initial step is crucial for guiding the AI effectively. We'll then explore how to prompt ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive outline, ensuring all key elements are covered. This foundational work sets the stage for a well-organized and engaging manuscript. To craft a strong outline, start by clearly defining your book's genre, main themes, and who you're writing for. Next, ask ChatGPT to suggest chapter titles and subtopics based on your concept. For example, you might prompt it with "Generate a 10-chapter outline for a fantasy novel about a dragon rider." Review the generated structure, making sure it flows logically and covers all essential points before moving on to content creation. Once your outline is solid, you can begin generating content. Take each section of your outline and provide ChatGPT with detailed prompts. For instance, write the opening paragraph for Chapter 1, introducing the protagonist in a bustling market. Generate initial drafts for your chapters, focusing on getting ideas down. Remember to guide the AI to maintain a consistent tone and style across all sections, ensuring a cohesive reading experience. After generating your content, the critical step is human review and editing. Carefully read through everything, refining the AI's output to match your unique voice and vision. Add your personal touch, ensuring the narrative is engaging and authentic. This blend of AI efficiency and human creativity results in a polished manuscript. For more tips and to check out the Owala water bottle, see the link in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.